Oi, morning.
Morning, what's up? Trudy,
Oi.
for my video today on my Jamaican this and that from channel, I am asking my friends to tell me one Jamaican proverb that they know, and if they know the meaning, to tell me the meaning also.
Me know about one of my mother always say me must take me and not take me and careful take me and out a lion mouth, something like that.
Careful and take time, take your hand out a lion mouth. And what you think that mean?
Mean that like be careful. Wait, may I process it? Well, take time, take your hand out a lion mouth. You know the lion is dangerous, so you may be talking to the lion or whatever the case may be, and you know that the lion probably will attack you at any time. So you have to just carefully tell, like if you have something to tell the lion or the person that will probably trigger them off.
Yes.
You'll find a creative way or a very nice way to tell them, like give them a bad news or whatever.
Right. All right. Very good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, darling.
All right. So she said, careful, take your hand out a lion mouth. Now, I want you guys to comment below and tell me what do you think that means. Let me tell you what I think that one means. You know, you're in a dangerous situation. Don't be too aggressive because you might get hurt. Yeah? So you're in a dangerous situation. Just be humble and be calm. But I don't know what it means. Comment below and let me know. Okay? Comment below and let me know.